After 14 days, your sensor will expire. To check the exact date and time of expiry, open the Fitterfly app. In the tracker section, glucose diary, and click on the 3 dots on the upper right hand side. Click on Sensor Summary and see the last sensor expiry date and time. Once the sensor is expired, make sure to scan your sensor one last time to avoid any loss of readings. The scan window remains open only for 8 hours after expiry time. Now it's time to peel off your sensor from your arm. Gently peel the sides of the sensor till it is completely off. You need to make sure to wrap or cover the sensor carefully, or you can put it inside the sensor pack you saved during application. After you remove your sensor, your skin might feel dry and itchy. That's perfectly normal. You just need to moisturize it for a few days and it'll be okay. If you wish to order another sensor, just go to this section on the app. Take care.